Hello everyone, it's Fofolicious time here again, and today is another super yummy time. Okra soup is on the menu and I can't wait to cook. First, get your fresh okra, grate a large portion and chop few more for that crunchy texture. Clean your dry prawns, pomo, fish, iru, get your palm oil, grated pepper and onions and bouillon cubes. Now it's time to cook. Heat your pan and pour in your palm oil. Once it's hot, add your iru and bouillon cubes, mix and pour in your grated pepper and onion. Mix it all together and allow it to cook a bit. Then add your pomo and prawns. The aroma is so nice with a very rich flavor. Once it gets thick, add a bit of water and in goes your fish. Mix in your grated okra first, then the chopped okra. Mix it together and you can see how yummy it looks. It's looking so good already. Don't overcook the okra at this stage and your okra soup is officially ready. Time to serve. What would you like to pair your okra soup with? I made eba for mine. Yummy! This soup is so delicious. What are you waiting for? Please recreate this wonderful okra soup and enjoy yourself. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more recipes. Thank you.